Day 3 of the turnaround went smooth. Today, all we did was, what did we do? We just went inside the heater, and the heat stress guys they put heat wrap on the pipe to heat it up. So chrome pipe, you have to heat it up before you weld it. So it has to be roughly 400 degrees preheat before you start welding on it. So we had to make a bunch of fits before those guys could do that. So we went in the heater, helped out, made fits today, and started tacking those fits. Make sure you learn how to bridge tack before leaving your welding school. One of the most important things that you could learn in welding school is learning how to bridge tack. Because if you're out in the field, 99% of the time, you're going to bridge tack all of your pipes together. And let me explain why that is. So say you're welding stainless, chrome, Inconel, whatever, in the rack or in the field, in a heater, anywhere, tight spots. You're not going to fly that pipe in and tape it up, get a purge while the fitters are trying to square it and stuff. It just makes more sense to get the pipe in there, fit it up, have the fitters tack it and everything, and you bridge tack it. I mean, have the fitters fit it up for you, whatever. If you're fitting it yourself, fit it yourself, tack it, bridge tack it, and then when you're done tacking and everything's square and plumb and whatever, you go tape it up, then purge it, and you weld, cut your bridge tacks, weld, cut your bridge tacks. That's the best way to do it, and that's what we did today in the heater. It's chrome welds in the heater, and we prepped them and tacked them up for the heat stress to come and heat those up before we start welding on them. So that was today, just getting leads ran, getting hoses ran for fresh air because it's in a heater and we're welding, so we have to be under fresh air oxygen while we weld. So there's a whole lot of different things that can be annoying, but it's not bad just once you get used to it. So run fresh air hose, run argon lines, run welding leads, went up there, tacked a whole bunch of pipes today. It wasn't a very fast process just because we need to make sure everything is right because there is night shift and we don't want to screw those guys on fits or anything. So help them out, and then in return, hopefully they will help us out. So we set them up with several tacks. We still got to tack some more, so that's just how it goes. You know, try not to cause another shift issues. Just try to help them out the best you can. And if another shift is screwing you, don't screw them back. It just makes it worse. Just help them out, and hopefully they will return the favor and help you out. That's one of the big things we teach at KWI is just don't screw other people. Do your job, do the best you can do, help other people, and that in turn will come back to you. So that was day 3 of the turnaround. So a lot of people showed up today. I think they finished hiring the last 10, 15 people. So it's a full house with our company here. The lunch tent's full, so it's going good so far. I will keep you guys updated, and it's only day 3 of the turnaround. They're saying 4 weeks. We'll see. It could be 3, could be 2, could be 5, could be 10. Who knows? So, but these guys, you know, it's 4 or 5 is usually what it is. So that's what we're going to stick to. So stay tuned. Day 4 will be tomorrow, and let's see what it holds for us.